Hello and welcome back to the channel where we are making a video game from scratch using Love2d and Lua. Yesterday we made a little snow place, adding a couple different snow type of sprites for the Arctic mountain biome. Now today I was thinking either we do more Arctic sprites like ice walls and that sort of stuff, or I'm actually also thinking of maybe making another character, like making our first NPC. So maybe we'll go with that. Maybe we'll go and try to make a character so that we can have more than just us in the game, which would be cool. And then yeah, we'll see how that goes. I do want to give a big shout out to everyone on YouTube, because we hit 200 subs today, which is just awesome. So the channel, I wasn't constantly uploading or uploading much public stuff since I started the channel 10 years ago, but it took over a decade to get our first 100 subs on YouTube, and we hit our second 100 subs in just 34 days. So that is really cool. So thanks everyone who's showing support on YouTube and subscribing over there. I post all of the streams on the YouTube account, so if you miss a stream, they're all on YouTube anyway. But thank you for all the subscribing love that you guys have been showing. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's get started. I think we're gonna go with making a new character today. And I'm kind of thinking we might, either we make the main NPC, like the kind of guide, if you will, like the main guy that kind of tells you what's going on and everything, or we make like a random villager NPC. So maybe we'll save the main guy until we get a little bit more practice making villagers, and then once we make a couple villagers, we're getting better at the pixel art, then maybe we make the main guy. I don't have names yet, but I'll be figuring that out in the near future. So I'm gonna open up the layer. What do I call it? Player Atlas? Player Lantern Atlas. Oh, we made something. What up, K-Tron? Yes, you made it. Welcome in. How did the end of your stream go? My phone died while you were away from computer. Okay, it's just this Player Atlas. Okay. Oh, nice. That's a bummer, dude. That sucks. Well, hopefully you're almost done and then you never have to think about it again. I'm thinking for the most part we can keep a lot of the general stuff, like maybe we keep the same kind of body for the villager and the same like eye position, but then we can change, obviously the hair and the clothes colors and everything, because we do want, there's only 16 pixels to work with for the sprites, and they have to walk, so a lot of the stuff is going to look very the same, like body wise, and then maybe we just make, little bit different heads and whatnot. So I'm going to actually duplicate this so we have a layer we can reference. And then Is there a transparency option? See, I'm wanting to see if there's like a transparency so we can kind of like have the head stuff half opaque so that we can draw on top of it almost. But I'm not seeing if there's a way to do that. Okay. I'm going to essentially chop off our head. Man, there's some stuff about A-Sprite I just don't get at all. I don't get how to shift these layers. Okay, well, let's say that we're gonna be making a villager with a brown shirt. And then maybe like a little black belt or something for this part. Something kind of neutral. Yeah, dude, that's totally cool. Okay. So this is why I was wanting the transparency, because I was hoping that I could like, at least here I can like draw the eye positions so that we can at least have like consistent eye positions. And I do want to make like alternate skins for Tashio too, so that we could have like, you know, a tunic to choose from. Then I want to match the height of the head too, because we need to probably adhere to that as well. So we can at least have like a little outline, right? So we know where the eyeballs go. I'm a little torn on if we should just like have the same nose for everybody or what, but yeah, today's gonna be a shorter stream because I'm still not really feeling great. Wow, does this? Wow, the green screen works through water, which is pretty impressive. It looks pretty good. Wow, yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so let's worry about the front of this dude's face. Like, I think we're gonna make. I don't want like a generic villager that we'll put more than one of. Like, I want every NPC to really only have one. You know, one instance. So, I do want to make him at least kind of notable or unique, right? Like, not just like a generic guy, but something you could maybe recognize. But, you know, clearly Mushroom Head doesn't look very good. I know, dude, it's gonna look like Toad. Dude, pixel art is super tough. It is so tough. Because it's like, especially like at this 16 by 16 limitation, it's just super difficult. But if we look at the Tashio, like we give ourselves ears based on the color of the hair, which is kind of a good idea. And then the shape of the hair gives him kind of personality because it's up in a bun or whatever. So if this guy, you know, like what are some defining characteristics? You know, someone could have, you know, darker skin. They can have hair down. They can have no hair. They could have glasses. They could have unibrow. Maybe glasses is kind of interesting, but we've got so few pixels to work with for glasses. But let's see if we try to build out a little face here. Gosh, it really just looks like a mushroom from Super Mario Bros. Like, I'm kind of wondering what a mushroom might look like, or what glasses might look like on somebody. Yeah, 16 by 16. Man, because, like, dude, like, yeah, glasses are just a toughs. We've got so little pixels to work with that if we try to add, like, oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Here. Glasses, like, if we literally just give it, like, he looks like a superhero. It's just the size of the Game Boy game sprites, you know? So it's just kind of what I'm locked down to. I just wanted to make, you know, something kind of Game Boy-esque. Gosh, okay, yeah. So if we were to like round out the glasses, maybe. Gosh. So freaking tough. Glasses may not be happening. Maybe he's got like an eye patch. That's probably easier to do than glasses. You know, like an eye patch. I don't know. Looks like a freaking square. Everything looks like a freaking square at this resolution. Yeah, I could. Well, no, I don't think I can do that because the game's literally rendering the sprites at 16 by 16. Yeah, I'd have to double everything up and then not actually run it at Game Boy resolution if I wanted to do that. But I don't know. If I run into a ton of issues trying to make good pixel art, I might try to do that. But also it's fun to have the limitation and kind of see what I can pull off with Game Boy resolution. Looks like we crashed. Or no. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Glasses is really tough, man. And then, so like, I know in Link's Awakening they have like, oh, guy with the big nose, guy that's a freaking alligator, guy that's guy that's yeah, they like, you know, tall head guy. They kind of get more expressive with it, so it's like maybe this guy has got just taller eyes or higher up eyes to start with, and then maybe man, dude, the art is just too tough. Maybe he's got like, I'm trying to think of like what expressions they might have, or because it's like we got such little pixels to work with for like a mouth or something. Like a mouth can't really be, gosh, it looks so weird. Yeah, I think they'll need like a more defining characteristic, like either a taller hat, and we could, you know, like we don't have to limit the player or the character itself to be 16 by 16. We could make them like in Link's Awakening. There's like an alligator, and he's like 2 sprites tall. So like we could make a taller guy, and then we have more pixels to work with, but it kind of like detracts from, you know, a human. It should be, they should be human size. Like there's plenty of animals, but I don't blend the animals and the humans together. Like you're either kind of like an animal creature or you're a humanoid, and I don't think I'm planning on kind of blending those. So what else? What else could we do? You know, he could have like a different kind of hat. He could be wearing like chainmail or something. Like I could pull off chainmail in pixel art. Yeah, he could be wearing, you know, I'm thinking for like the main guy is kind of gonna be like a Gandalf character, so he might be technically taller than 16 so that we can fit his hat in there. And then probably still calculate all his collisions based on the bottom 16 by 16 or whatever, but I don't know. You know, maybe, I don't know, I kind of like the idea of like purple goggles, but it is just not readable as goggles, right? Like, looks like a superhero wannabe. Maybe he's got like a bandana, like a cholo. And he's a purple cholo. I kind of like the bandana. I mean, it's just it's like a cop out, right? It's like easy to draw a dude with a bandana. So yeah, now he's almost looking like a South Park character here. know, he's like a Ninja Turtle. I don't think I like the bandana. Yeah, it kind of looks like a pirate. Yeah. I don't know. He just looks just too boring. You know, we need more character. Like Tashio is really cool because he looks like Japanese with the hair bun up, almost like a samurai. And then this guy is just like nothing going on. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up some reference for the different types of characters in Link's Awakening because they pull off some wonky looking people. Let's see if we can find some. Okay, so it looks like... are you talking about the sprites? I rehauled him. I did it once, like maybe back in... Well, dude, yeah, I mean, it took me like probably 2 days. Once I had the original Tashio, had his like hair all wild, but then it took me like a day or 2 days to get just his head looking like it's up in a bun. Like it took like 2 whole streams to do that. But see, look, this is like the alligator guy I was talking about. See how it's more than just the 16 by 16 there? Man, they do so much good work with such little pixels. Wow. They've got a freaking like artist crocodile and it looks so readable. You know, how do they do that? Okay, so look at Prince Richard. See, like, this is the kind of, like, distinguishing features I was talking about. Like, he's got a curly ass hair. He's got a cape, right? He's got this little, like, medallion bling he's wearing. And then, like, a mouse character or a skeleton character or... and then this one, too. There's the glasses. And the answer was they make a bigger than 16 by 16 and give them big old freaking eyes. And then this guy, right? The shopkeeper. He's bald, you know, distinguishing features. He's got these big old ears. He's got this bald head. Madame Meow Meow got high up eyes. She actually has a mouth of like a one pixel thing. And then she's got a really tall face. Like her face is most of it. And then here's the tall head guy I was thinking of. So it's like his distinguishing feature is tall ass head. He's got a little mouth, big old ears, and then he's got like a Mickey Mouse ears going on. And then Marin, distinguishing feature. I always thought, wow, I think I'm just realizing. I used to think, what's up, Prosto? How's it going? I used to think Marin had like I used to think Marin's face here was like a Pinocchio nose. Like a big nose, like a huge nose going upwards. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I think it's just a part in her hair. I used to think she had this big old nose and she wasn't like so human. I thought it was kind of like a interesting way to do it. But now it's just a part in her hair and I'm just imagining that she had a big old nose here. And then Terran, look at Terran's got this big old freaking nose. Like actually a big old nose. Have you slept yet, Prosto? Are you up from... Did you just wake up or yeah? Because it's really early for you. Ooh, look at this guy. Man, I don't even remember this guy. Oh, unused. Wow. I've never noticed this guy. Man, if you're still up, dude, yeah, get some rest, dude. Yeah. You've been up a long time. See, this is going to be a good guy to reference for our magic guy, cuz our magic guy is going to be a mysterious cloaked guy just like this. So this is interesting. But yeah, like this lady, you know, she's grandma doesn't have a mouth, but she's got big old hair and then a bun. And she sweeps, I guess. Yeah, dude, that sucks. That sucks. Hopefully you can get some rest. Man, they do such a wonderful job with all the art in this game. I'm kind of wondering if there's more examples in. Yeah, these are not mine, Prosto. I just found these online. I'm trying, like, this is the one. This is the one I was working on. It looks so bad. So we're looking at like actually good examples. I wish I did these. But yeah, we need to lean into kind of distinguishing features like big old hair, nice shaped hair, or, you know, big old faces, different kind of features we can highlight. Yeah, exactly. That's kind of where I'm trying to piece together how they do it so well. Because they make a lot work with such little. Wow. Yeah, I'm wondering if they have wow, Bear Chef. I'm wondering if they have other characters in Age of Oracle of Ages and Oracle of Seasons. Let's see. Oh, Tinkle's in Oracle of Ages? Wow. Holy crap. Man, they got some cool freaking villains in this one. Oh, that's cool. They do have like some lava in this one. Oh yeah, yeah. I'll shoot you over. Yeah, I'll shoot you over that link. Here, I'll send it over to you on Discord before I lose it. Yeah. Here, I'll send it over to you on Discord now so I don't lose it. Yeah, I'll DM it to you. I know if I don't send it now, I'll just forget. So, there you go. I sent it over to you on Discord there. Yeah, they didn't really have too many other ones in the Oracle of Ages. Let's see. You know, like look at here. There's that part in her hair for the other girl. Man, I really used to think that was a straight up a big old nose. Oh my gosh, they got a little guitar player. I remember this one. And then this girl's like playing like a tambourine, I think. Wow. Man, the art is so good in this. Look how clean the dog looks. Looks so good. Yeah, so I say we try to get one guy and one girl. Yeah, dude. Hey, Prosto, have a good night, dude. Hopefully you get some sleep. Thanks for stopping by, dude. Hope you have a good one. Wow. Okay. See, like I like the idea of like a dress for the girl. Because it's a distinct feature other than the other guys, and then it's just easily readable. So yeah, I mean, I guess yeah, it's weird because like since Tashio's 16 by 16, we can't go much more than that if it's a human, unless they're doing like this, like she's like a dancer, so she's on her tippy toes or whatever. Or if he's holding a guitar, it's a little wider. That makes sense to kind of go bigger than 16 by 16. Or this guy's tall hat or whatever. But if we kind of dissect like the shape of this guy's head, he's mostly head. And then a square for hands, and then a line for a foot. Like, it's really simple. And then this guy, another guy, big old head, square for hands, one line for foot. This guy, big old head, head takes up 60% of his height. And then he's got a big old nose and then a mustache. And then this guy, I mean, yeah, they kind of pick one color, right? Like blue, green, or red, and then have like one kind of skin color, and then fill in. See, and then this girl, she's got like swoops and then a ponytail. So another like kind of distinct feature. The glasses. Yeah, the glasses were tough, dude. What is this guy doing? Is he... I can't tell what this guy is. Like, this guy has got a curly mustache. Like, you can tell he's got a curly mustache, and it's just like pixel art. Like, they did so good. Okay. See, and then another girl wearing a dress here. And then she's even shorter. So she's like one of the kids. So let's see if we can figure out a villager guy. That doesn't look so bad. Yeah, that looks like mine looks like freaking South Park. And theirs looks like art. Okay. I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to just start from scratch. Okay, so I guess we get to decide, like, does this guy have... I haven't really thought about what kind of things the villagers are doing. Like, I know at the beginning of the game, the villagers are going to be really mean to you. So maybe he's like a gruff looking tough guy, but that's kind of tough to get the point across. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe he is a bald guy. And he's a tall... You know, this guy maybe got a more egg-shaped head. And maybe his arms are kind of big and coming outwards and kind of like on his hip. I kind of want a baker, actually. I'm thinking like maybe this guy's like a baker or something. You know, maybe if this guy's got like square eyes instead of tall eyes. It's hard to get any kind of expression out of them, you know? Like, we could go with like angry eyebrows. I know. Yeah, it's really tough. I'm so impressed with how much they can squeeze out of it. Like they do such a good job. Like, well, that guy's a little weird. But look, there's another glasses. Like how they got glasses working on this guy and this guy. It's really tough to get glasses readable. And then like a mother holding a baby, like that looks great. Gosh, yeah, and then mine looks like this guy. Looks like a baby. Looks like a baby. I wanted him to be a tough guy, and I made him look literally like a baby. I was thinking white for like an apron if he's like a baker that like can like punch your head off. But like the I don't know. We need to do something different with his eyes. Like first of all, the baby color is just not working. Like it's because he looks like he's not wearing any. Yeah, yeah, exactly. He looks like he's not wearing any clothes, so that's part of the reason he doesn't look scary at all. I'm wondering if he's got like a scar or something. He could. Well, now he looks like a bloody angry guy. Like that totally takes away all his fierceness. Like just as that one pixel for whatever reason. Kind of looks, gosh, it's such a delicate balance. Okay, I think I like the single line like this. That's not looking half bad. It doesn't have much. Like, he does look a little more angry. And I do like it doesn't look straight up like a Tashio ripoff, so like that's kind of good. I was hoping he'd look like kind of like strong, like he's kind of flexing, but it's really tough to get. It does look better. I do like it better than the Cholo for sure. I still want him to look angrier. Like, I want him to look... Like, if we try to redo his eyes here, or his eyebrows here. Like, the angriest would probably look like this, right? Just like a... Gosh, it's so tough. Yeah, I'm thinking about that. It's so tough. It's like, you know, like if I give him the same eyes as Tashio, he kind of looks not so unique. So I was trying to give him like different shape eyes. Yeah, I don't know. I like the square eyes for some reason on him. Or maybe I can play around with maybe deleting like one pixel. Oh, hey. That's kind of looking... Yeah, that's kind of looking a little angry, maybe. Well. Yeah, I mean, it does... Yeah, I kind of like that. It looks a little different. That if he's angry with the same direction eyebrows. No, doesn't quite read. Yeah, it doesn't quite read. That is looking close, though, actually. Like, I'm kind of liking that. Even though it doesn't look like it would... Well, I don't know. It looks... Now it looks like a lady's kind of winking at you. Shoot. Yeah, maybe like a... Shoot. Gosh, it's so tough. Oh, you're done with class, Katron, already? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh, man. Like, if her eyes are 1 pixel, it's just so hard to make her look, or make him look angry. That's kind of sleepy, right? Like, it's interesting seeing, like, what different sets of eyes kind of look like. Like, that kind of looks sad. He just left? He just took a phone call and left? It's really tough to make him look angry. It really is. Gosh, looks so weird. Looks drunk like that. Oh, that looks like a skull almost. Oh, that kind of looks scary. Yeah, that kind of looks like a skull to me. I don't know. It's like the mouth just looks so weird. Maybe we try to scoot his eyes up one and then give him like a different shaped bottom mouth, maybe? Oops. Yeah, I don't know. Looks kind of mischievous with that little smile. I don't know. Don't like the mouth. I think I liked it better when it was lower. He looks really angry there. It looks like really angry. It looks too much like a skull when I do that. Oh, that looks kind of freaky. Like, I want him to look human, but I want him to look kind of just intimidating. I don't want him to look like a skull demon. Man, it's not quite there. I don't know. I kind of like the Widow Peak idea. He kind of looks... I don't know. I don't like the, you know, he should have some detail here. Like, he should have, some kind of something here. That's not looking half bad for some kind of dude. Some kind of villager dude. You know, maybe, yeah, maybe his toes aren't showing. I don't like, you know, you're not really scary in Crocs. So maybe he's got, you know, normal feets with shoes on him. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like that. I kind of do like that. You know, kind of neutral, but he's got, you know, the distinguishing feature of like this like widow's peak. He's got slightly angry looking eyes, maybe. I mean, maybe I'm just imagining that he looks a little angry. It's just that the kind of like inwards on the eyebrows is kind of what I'm thinking makes him look a little angry. So if we mimic our Tashio here, or at least his walking patterns and stuff, we need his arms to kind of swap sides, and then we need to make a butt end, back end. I kind of do like this. At least for now, right? It's just like just so we have another character we can plop in there. It'd be nice. He does look a bit buffer than Tashio, right? He is a bit wider. He's a little bit taller, fatter head. So I do like that. Let's try to get his hands a little offset so that we can swap it for the walking down animation. So let's see. If this hand maybe starts one frame up and to the left. Yeah. So like that might be frame 1. Frame 2 will be the swapped. Now, can I do... I want to preview these two animated, so maybe I'll do a new page here that I can do. Oh, actually, it needs to be 16 by 16. So we'll go 16 by 16, and then we'll paste each frame on our own frame layer. So there's frame 1. And then let's add a new frame, and we will put frame 2. Okay, that looks so bad. Because his feet aren't moving. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that looks awful. Looks like he's dancing. Definitely looks like he's dancing. Okay. So we either need to change both sides or... Well... Yeah, the big thing is his feet don't look like they're walking. So we definitely need to fix that. So like, if we have... He just looks like he's dancing, man. Yeah, I think the first thing we should change is that his bling here shouldn't change location. So we should keep... Then this is just too big of an arm movement. So it should only move like, instead of 2 pixels to the left and 1 pixel down, maybe just 1 pixel left, 1 pixel down. So let's see if we can move this back up. Wow. Okay, well, we'll just move it down then. And I did that on the wrong layer. We'll do that here. Just pixeled down. Still looking dancing, you know, still looking dancing. Looks like he's got that cha-cha real smooth. Everything I do just, it looks like he's dancing. Fuck it, he's a tango dancer. We'll rewrite his story so it'll make sense. It's bad, man. It's bad. Okay, well let's get frame 1 where we're happy with it, right? And then we'll just worry about frame 2. So if we're happy with frame 1, we can kind of lock it in. Okay. Yeah, it's just, his hand is just too far out there, man. Pixel art's just crazy tough. Crazy tough. Okay. Are we happy with that? I don't really like that it goes red up there. Man, it's weird. It's like stuff I think wouldn't drastically change how it looks, like totally does. Okay. So if I'm just not happy with his right hand here. Okay. Let me see. I think I liked more sleeve when he had like more sleeve on this other one. Okay. Okay, so if we wanted it to look like his feet were moving, we need to either give him like a foot shadow or something so that we can kind of insinuate one foot is one way and then the other foot is the other way. Gosh, so tough. I'm not sure what that was, Katron. Did you... What did you do? Did you just paste that in there or what? Because that looks like an error I was getting on my website deployment. Oh, on your website? Yo, what's your website? I don't think I've seen that. Oh, gotcha. Are you building it? Or deploying it yourself? Like, I'm all into that right now. Doing some different stuff. Nice, dude. Hey, that's awesome. What do you use to host it? Hell yeah. Yeah, I just deployed a Python and Flask app to my website so that I can I'm basically like populating some Word document templates for you to download from my website for my work. So it's like I've deployed an application for my work that uses local Proxmox. Okay. I think you told me about that before. Nice. I was thinking about getting like a little Raspberry Pi and trying to host my sites myself. Right now they're just on cloud, Ubuntu server somewhere. It's just my internet is just kind of all over the place, so I don't think I trust it. But I really want to get a Raspberry Pi and try, That would be cool. Maybe I'll put one of my websites on there, Nice. Yeah, maybe because I've got like 4 websites on my same server, so that's probably not the best idea. So maybe I'll just migrate one off. Man, this guy is just taking a lot longer than I thought he would. I mean, we spent over an hour on this and we've got like a little vampire looking guy. Let's see like the very minimal movement of just his like this hand coming up. Oh, that doesn't look so it doesn't look so good. Okay, and then this hand can come down. Man, that really is just gonna look oh man. Okay. The hands aren't looking half bad. I do think when this is down, we need to scoot this stuff down. Do you have any Raspberry Pi experience, Katron? You know, hey, dude, we could do that. We can add a Katron in there. Well, we can spell it, you know, some kind of unique way. Okay, that's not looking half bad. I do think that maybe when this is down, maybe this goes away. Or... no. I liked it the other way. Yeah, we'll put a Baldy in there for you. We'll give him special powers. You know, he can like reflect light beams off and bounce them back to people. That might be cool. Oh, nice. Print server. Okay. Yeah, the power to shave heads. Yeah. Maybe we'll make this guy bald over time. As you beat the levels, he'll just have less and less hair. You know, as he hits 50 followers. You know? Okay, so the hands are looking okay. I mean, he looks like he's kind of throwing a tantrum, but this is also way faster. Yeah, can we speed this up a different... Oh, no. How do we change the speed? Okay, so if we can get the foots looking decent, and it might be as simple as... Oh no. What am I doing? What is that doing? Okay, I don't know what I did. I can't even select a color anymore. What the heck, dude? What is this? What mode is this? Brush bounce. What the fuck? I have never seen that mode. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, I mean, I kind of took off the follower goal now that we hit 100. That was my only goal. Yeah, I don't know. Cuz I'm also hey, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it, Krelp. Yeah, I don't really have any aspiration to hit more than what we've got. I mean, it's also like, I feel like if more people are watching, it's more pressure too. So it's like, I'm fine with just a couple peeps hanging and chilling. Cause you know, I'm not, a professional developer or anything. So it's like, I'm still teaching myself this stuff. An actual game. Like yeah, I don't know. You have to elaborate on that. You know, he needs like his foot needs to kind of like step. It needs to be more of a shape to it, so that we can see which foot is actually forward. Yo, what kind of game you guys got in mind? Hey, thanks for the yarbongos. I appreciate that. Lovely. Love a good yarbongos up in here. Man, he doesn't look like he's dancing the salsa anymore, but I don't know. We might need like different shaped feet. It just doesn't look so good here. You know, I did program a Flappy Bird. I did do that. So I can you know, this is the first time I'm seeing Magikarp on the stream avatars. That's cool. Nice. Did you guys ever play Rampage? I loved that game growing up. Yeah, I just don't like the feet moving. He kind of looks like a Italian guy for some reason. But Krelp, yeah, they've got the wolf, the lizard, and the ape. So Krelp, here's my game so far. It's this kind of like Link's Awakening inspired top-down adventure game, and then we've got like a musical element to it, so you can play some music here. It's kind of like Guitar Hero, but we're trying to write the songs for it, so it doesn't sound very good yet, but that's the goal, is like we're gonna have some songs, and you can just pull out the lute and play some songs if you want, and then also there's a certain part of the game where you're supposed to play the sheet music to unlock the next area and stuff. So that's what we're working on, but then it's really tough to scale that music to different speeds. So I'm kind of distracting myself with some pixel art because it's really tough to do what I want to do in the game at this moment. But that's why I'm kind of doing some pixel art here. This isn't looking so bad. It's just that I don't really like the feet. The feet don't really speak to me. They don't really spark joy. It's not half bad. It is just too fast. Yeah, you know, it's really here. I'll show you what it might look like with the unibrow. It's just gonna look like we give him a teardrop like he killed somebody. Let's see what a unibrow might look like on this fool. Give him a wider forehead and then give him the old unibrow. See, it's so tough. Like, is that a unibrow? Not really. Is that a unibrow? Not really. Oh god. It's like, in order for it to read as a unibrow, we have to like give him an even bigger forehead. There we go. Or we can like shape it, right? So like, dude, pixel art is so freaking tough. It is so tough. Okay, I'm gonna try to duplicate this and duplicate this so we can see it like twice as slow, because that's a bit more game accurate. Dude, it's tough. It's so tough. It looks so easy, right? It looks like it's only a couple freaking pixels, and then it's just so tough, especially with like movement and stuff. Getting them animated and stuff. Like, it took me took me maybe 2 hours to just get the hair right on our main character. It's just too blocky. It's just too blocky. All right, we'll keep it like this for now. Yeah, the problem is because it's so hard to make anything readable. Like you said, we had to change the whole structure. If we wanted to just give him a unibrow, we have to change everything because it's like everything just looks like a Tetris piece or a square. Okay, well, this will be our guy, at least for the front, for now. And then we'll work on giving him a front and a back and a left and a right. So let's put that first frame there. And then we'll pull the second frame here. Okay. Now we have a back that is working for Tashio. Maybe we can just repurpose that for this guy and give him the dark colored background. So we'll just kind of use this as a starting point for his back sprites. So let's do, actually, yeah, we'll just delete it from here and put it in here so that we can see the animation. You know, like that's how Tashio's back looks, which looks really wonky. But when you slow it down a bit, it does look better. So if we pull the same color we've got of this guy. Yo, Magnetonics, what's up? Yo, I didn't see you sneak in, dude. How's it going? Yeah, he's not necessarily the bad guy, Leva. He's just a villager. So, he's just gonna be one of the villagers. So, the game, it'll start off with all the villagers mad at you for a story reason. But I just wanted him to look a little bit intimidating, right? Like he's not supposed to look like the villain, but he's not supposed to look super friendly. So he's kind of looking just kind of like a dude. He's not a villain dude, but he's a not so nice dude. So I'm going to look at the shape of his head. He's got almost like an egg head, like a not so much Hey Arnold head, but kind of. So we'll give him a wide head over here. And then ease it in. It is kind of looking like a Hey Arnold type of head. Yeah, not bald yet. We'll make him bald over time. You know, right when you least expect it, bald will hit. Dude, I think I'm starting to bald a bit. I've got Maybe you can tell me better. How does that look? Looking a little thin. It is looking thin back there, right? Like right there. It is looking a little thin to me. Okay. I think that's okay. And now, I don't want to do is just give him a hole, a hole for a head. So like, how would we might give him like some like gray sheen, to kind of so it's not so overwhelmingly black. Maybe something like that. And then it's hard because it's like we need to see what this looks like a little slower than this. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like the this part right here. That part looks bad. And then his whole head should kind of shift over. These parts should kind of come over too. Oh, did I just see where I can slow it down? Frame. Oh, here. Playback speed. Yes. Okay, cool. Much better. Okay. I never thought to right-click the play button. I didn't know that's how you did that. But yeah, let's get... I don't like this part. But also that looks awful too. Okay, yeah. Kind of looks like the back of someone's head, right? That doesn't look too bad. I do think this one needs to be a little more like that. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'll give him the bald spot right here. The balding spot. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost there. Needs like a little bit of shape to it. Got a little balding spot, you know? Okay, I mean, I think that's okay for now, for the test, right? Or like, not test, but like the initial starting point. Oh, wow. Okay, his bald spot is transparent. It's like really bald. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. Wanted to give him an actual color there. Was it really not bald? Or why? Oh. He's got two little bald spots now. Yeah, it's so bald. Yeah, it's so bald. It's transparent. That's impressive. Okay. And then this one. Oopsie. Oopsie. What am I doing wrong here? Copy. Paste. What is going on? Why does it do that? Oh, you still got that bald spot. Okay. You know what? I kind of like that lighter colored bald spot. What color is that? Can we grab that color? There, we give him that bald highlight spot there. Let's see if it's too much. Let's see. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Adds a little bit of a detail, like a specular highlight, that, you know. So I think I like that. Okay, so we've got front and back. So now we just need left and right. So like both left and right are the same as one another. They're just flipped. So we would need like a left standing and a left stepping, and then we would flip it. So we only need 2 more sprites until this guy's kind of ready to be inserted into the game, but I've got to head out because I've got some stuff to do tonight. But what we'll do is we'll export this as a villager atlas template here. So we'll save as a villager atlas PNG, into our graphics folder, and then we can continue working on that. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. And then, you know, we can work on it some more tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow, and we will add the atlas and commit with a message saying that we added front and back villager 1 atlas. Sweet. Yeah, dude. Hey, you have a wonderful night as well. We'll raid out here. If John Blow is doing development stuff, we'll give him a raid. But if he's just playing, okay. Yeah, we'll raid John Blow. He's the one who inspired me to learn programming. So I always like raiding him if I can. Although his streams are way more technical than mine, and it all goes above my head. But it's just, you know, to be able to raid my programming hero is just always cool. So we'll be raiding out, and then hope you guys have a good night, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for the follow, Krelp. It was nice seeing you.